this cannot be anything better, as you can buy any one of these pieces from this haul as low as 500 rupees from the Myntra sale. Yes, it's a Myntra sale haul. What's up, my stylish people? This is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel, the best place for shopping hauls, outfit inspiration, shopping and styling tips for men. Today's video is going to be the budget-friendly shopping haul for men, cheap, rather affordable and high-quality basic polo t-shirts for men. Why I'm calling this the best ever? Because in this video, I'm gonna refine the brand for you guys and suggest the best fitting brand in the form of Jack and Jones. First of all, excuse me for the boxes, guys. Those are the ones which I ordered before the lockdown, and however I do not have much time and I couldn't unbox them. I think one is from Zara and one is from Myntra, I guess, and Flipkart as well. Moving on to the piece number 1. It's an olive green t-shirt in a half sleeves. A quick point to note for you guys is that all the pieces from this shopping haul are from a brand Jack and Jones in half sleeves, of course. And majority of the pieces I got it in a size of medium. Any differences across the pieces I will mention it, or else the information stays the same across all the pieces which you are going to see in this shopping haul. So coming back to this t-shirt, it's a new arrival from the Jack and Jones Spring Summer collection for 2020. It is priced at 999, guys. I got this for 40% discount on Myntra, which brings down the price to 600 rupees. However, if you guys don't know already, there will be a sale coming up in May 2020, so that you can get it for 50% off very easily. Coming to the piece number 2, it's a red color polo t-shirt. On my second thoughts, it's not exactly a red color, but it's on the lines of brick red color. This is priced at 1299, but I got this in the Myntra sale for a price of 550 rupees. Please do note that this particular piece is from the previous season and not exactly the new arrivals. The materials used for all these t-shirts are too good for the price they offer. These t-shirts from this video, you have to consider this as value options in terms of what you get for the price you pay. Moving on to the piece number 3. It's a aqua blue polo t-shirt from the previous season. This is also priced at 1300 rupees, and I got this for a price of 524, which is crazy considering the fit and quality. In terms of how these t-shirts fit, I have to say they just fit right. They fit snug at the chest area, making you look broad while having enough room at your waist area. Coming to the important aspect in terms of fit is its sleeve length, and I can say the sleeve length is just right, leaving the elastic band just above the triceps if you buy a t-shirt true to your size. Moving on to the piece number 4. It's a peach color polo t-shirt which is just appropriate for the summer season. This is from 2 seasons earlier, and a quick and easy tip to identify for you guys which is from the previous season or which is from this season is to check the logo on the t-shirt. If it is end, this is from the new arrivals. If it is any other symbol, it's more than 1 season earlier. Coming back to this t-shirt, it is priced at 999, and I got this for an absolute bargain of 400 rupees from the Myntra sale. Moving on to the piece number 5. It's a white color polo t-shirt from 2 seasons before, I guess. This is priced at 999, and I got this for a price of 400 from Myntra sale. Just a point to note, there is a slight difference when it comes to the length of the t-shirts released 1 season before. These are a little bit on the lengthier side. Moving on to the piece number 6. It's an orange color polo t-shirt that is priced at 999, and I got this for a price of 500 rupees. It is also from the previous season, and there is nothing much to say about the t-shirt. Moving on to piece number 7. It's an ink blue color polo t-shirt which is priced at 1000 rupees and is available now at 400 from Myntra. Whatever I mentioned for the white t-shirt stays the same. It is a bit on the lengthier side. Moving on to the piece number 8. It's a black t-shirt in a knitted material, guys, and this is from the Jack and Jones premium collection. It is priced at 1499. However, I got it for a bargain of 600 rupees. Moving on to the piece number 9. It is a teal green color polo t-shirt which is priced at 999, and I got this for a price of same 500, and I guess it's from 2 seasons before. And moving on to the last piece, it's a knitted t-shirt in a teal blue color, and it's priced at 1700 rupees, but however the good part is you can get this as low as 700 rupees. Coming to the fit, as it is using a knit, it fits amazing. But if you guys don't like that body hugging aspect of the knit, if it is not your preference, guys, I recommend you guys to size up. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did so, please drop us a like down below and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. That's it from me. See you guys next time.